1 diabetes is not as scary as you think.
Hey, Mom.
What happened? How's Lily?
Don't worry, it's nothing major.
Well, nothing major is still something. Diabetes? How can a kid have diabetes?
It's type 1 diabetes. Dr. Yarno said as long as it's under control, Lula is no different from other kids.
Impossible! You think I don't know what diabetes is? There's no cure for it. You could have asked me to help take care of Lila if you two were too busy with work.
Grandma, Dr. Yarno said it can be under control.
Oh dear. Sorry you had to go through this.
Mom, it's gonna be okay. I don't know how to explain. Lula, let your healthcare companion, Sugar Up, to explain.
Healthcare companion?
Come on out, Sugar Up. This is Sugar Up. Dr. Yarno gave it to me. It helps to keep my condition under control. Don't worry, Granny. Sugar Up, tell her more about type 1 diabetes.
Sure. Lila got type 1 diabetes. Currently, scientists believe that type 1 diabetes is an autoimmune disease. Normally, the human body's immune system can recognize and resist foreign viruses and bacteria. Type 1 diabetes is caused by our immune system mistakenly attacking the pancreatic beta cells, which produce insulin. Which means that the body is unable to produce enough insulin to lower your blood sugar levels.
I see. But why is my immune system attacking my own cells?
Actually, the specific causes are very complicated and have not yet been fully understood. It's generally believed that in addition to autoimmune factors, environmental and genetic factors also play an important role.
Genetic factors? No one else in the family has this disease.
Genetic factor refers to the existence of the susceptibility gene for type 1 diabetes, not direct inheritance. In fact, the probability of a mother or father with type 1 diabetes passing the disease onto a child is quite small. Only about 3% and 5% respectively. When certain environmental factors trigger these susceptibility genes, it can trigger the autoimmune destruction of the pancreatic islets, leading to type 1 diabetes.
So Lila's disease is related to the environment, heredity, and immune system? So it's not our fault?
Correct, Granny. Nobody should be blamed. Instead, we should stick together and create a loving and comfortable family environment for Lila. On top of that, we need to gain a scientific understanding to ensure Lila stays in good health.
Hi, Lila's grandma is here. Can we have a talk? Hi, Granny.
Can Lila's condition be cured, Dr. Yarno?
Although there's no cure for type 1 diabetes yet, there are many patients who live a long life, as long as they control their blood sugar. So many patients who didn't experience complications for decades.
Will this affect Lila's daily life?
Under good control, Lila can still grow up healthily, get married, and have children. It will not affect Lila's intellectual development or lifespan. I heard a patient even went to Peking University.
Mom, Lila will be okay. With Dr. Yarno's treatment, everything is fine.
All right.
Granny, I'm sure I'll overcome this with the help of Dr. Yarno and Sugar Up.
Don't underestimate me.
Well, I believe in you, Lily.